Okay, this question is a reaction between copper and oxygen to produce a solid, and we're given the heat of reaction. And this is definitely asking about equilibrium, okay? And we want to know which of these conditions will shift the equilibrium left, okay? And we're going to increase the volume or decrease the volume. So let's increase the volume and see what happens, okay? What that's going to do is if the volume is increased, the pressure will actually decrease, and if the pressure decreases, this will want to shift to the high pressure side. Now, the way we determine what the high pressure side is by counting gases on each side of the chemical equilibrium. So technically this should be an equilibrium here. This is a solid, so we don't count that, and this is a solid, we don't count that. The coefficient in front of oxygen is 1 here, so N is equal to 1 on the left, N is equal to 0 on the right. N is just a variable that we use to describe the total number of moles of gas on either the left or the right. And you can see how the left is the high pressure side because the number of moles of a gas are higher. Okay, so this is the high pressure side. So that turns out to be the correct answer. Okay, so if we increase the volume, that leads to a decrease in pressure, and this reaction will shift in a way to counteract that. So it will shift towards the direction where it creates more gas molecules or a higher pressure. So this will shift to the high pressure side, which is the left. Okay, and that's what's happening here. Okay, so we do want to increase the volume. Okay. If in our analysis this came out to be backwards, we would see what happens if we decrease the volume of the container. Okay.